Welcome back to Bike Buzzin'. Today we're diving into the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod, a legendary bike that's set to make a statement this year. From its stunning design to powerful performance, we've got all the details you need to know. Let's get into it. History of the V-Rod. Before we talk about the 2025 model, let's take a quick ride down memory lane. First launched in 2001, the Harley Davidson V-Rod was an instant game changer. With its revolutionary V-twin engine and futuristic styling, it stood out from the classic Harley lineup. It wasn't just a cruiser, it was a high-performance powerhouse designed in collaboration with Porsche engineers. Now, after years of evolution, the 2025 V-Rod is here to continue that legacy. Design and features. The 2025 V-Rod takes the original design to the next level. Its aggressive stance, muscular frame, and sculpted bodywork create a presence on the road that's impossible to ignore. Harley has kept the signature V-Rod silhouette but added sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. The LED headlamps and the distinct airbox cover make it look even more modern without losing that iconic Harley character. But it's not just about looks. The V-Rod features a new high-strength aluminum frame for improved durability and handling. The new color options, including a deep matte black and a striking metallic blue, give riders even more ways to express their style. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 V-Rod delivers raw power. Powered by a liquid-cooled 1,250cc Revolution Max V-twin engine, it's not just fast, it's fast with precision. With an output of over 150 horsepower, this bike can go from 0 to 60 in ph in just under 3 seconds. Whether you're cruising on highways or ripping through twisty mountain roads, the V-Rod's performance is unmatched. Thanks to improved suspension systems, including fully adjustable rear shocks and a new front fork design, the handling has never been better. It offers a more responsive, stable ride, making it perfect for both city streets and long-haul journeys. Technology and comfort. The 2025 V-Rod isn't just about power, it's also about comfort and technology. The all-new digital cockpit integrates a high-res touchscreen display that shows real-time data, navigation, and more. It's fully customizable, giving you control over how you experience your ride. With advanced traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes, this bike adapts to different conditions, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable ride. Comfort-wise, Harley has reworked the ergonomics for better rider positioning. The seat is plush yet firm, and the handlebars offer an ergonomic reach for both short and long rides. Price and availability. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 V-Rod will set you back around $20,000. And for everything you're getting, that's an investment you'll enjoy every mile. Expect it to hit dealerships in late spring 2025, so make sure you're first in line if you're interested. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod, a true fusion of power, style, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're a lifelong Harley fan or a newcomer, this bike is sure to impress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Bike Buzzin' update. Catch you next time.